Hello guys, this is Yu-Chun. Today I want to talk about a project I've been working on, which is a Django project. So Django is a web framework that is written in Python. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you how to make this app up and running. And also next, I will show you how the website looks like. The last, I will walk you through the codes I have to make this work. Okay. So first of all, in order to run the server, you need to make sure you are in the right directory, which contains the manage.py file. So I need to change my directory to dessert. Okay, if I ls, I will see manage.py is in the current directory. Awesome. The next, I need to do run server. Okay, in order to run the server, I need to do Python manage.py run server. So this will open a local server. I control click on it. It takes me to my web page. So in this web page, the user is allowed to enter the information about a dessert, and it will take the user to the second page, which displays the result they just entered. So this form also has client-side validation. If I just click on submit, you will see please fill out this field. Okay. So before I submit the form, I do want to show you what I have in the database. So Django has a built-in database, which is SQLite. And there's a tool which is very awesome. It's the browser for SQLite. So for example, these are the models I built earlier. If I click on dessert browse table, you will see there are currently 3 desserts in my database: Oreo cheesecake, chocolate cake, and the description and the price. Right now, I'm gonna go to the web page to enter a new dessert, and you will see that it will be updated here because I connect this database with my web app. Awesome. So let's come back to here. So for example, let's say we want to make ice cream. Delicious. Let's just say $10. Awesome. So let's click on submit. So you see in my second page, you also can see a URL change to display. And in the display page, users can see all the desserts in the database, which includes the one they just entered: ice cream, description delicious, price 10. Now, if we come back to the database, if we click F5 to refresh, you see ice cream delicious. So this is working successfully because they are connected together. Awesome. So this is my simple Django web application. Now I want to walk you through the codes I have. So first of all, how the whole things work is that, as you can see, I have 2 HTML page, which in Django, it's called like templates, HTML templates. So in order to direct users to the right template, we need to use URLs, views. First of all, I want to show you the models I have. This is a dessert model I have. Name, description, price, and I do have company and makers, and there are 2 more models here. I will implement this to my project later on, but I also have like this, the relationship between the 3 models. One is like one to many, the other one is many to many. But right now, I'm just simply showing you this one. Okay, so I do have models here. And then in the URLs, if it's empty, which is a default one, it will take me to views.home. So let's go to views.home. So this is my logic in views.home. This is a logic for the form to work. Okay, so when the user first goes into the website, the form has no submit method. So it will come here, which will create a new form. And it will render the new form to the form.html. which will come here. So that's why you are seeing the empty form at the beginning. So let's say if the user enter all the input and click submit. Then in this case, if we come back to views, in this case, the request, the method will equal to post because we set up to post. Okay, and it will run this. It will make sure the form is validated. And also it will form.save, will save the data into the database. Awesome. And then after that, it will redirect, as you can see right here, HTTP response redirect to display. This is very important because in order to go to the next page, which is the display page, we must do this to redirect the user from the home page to the display page. Now, if we go to the URLs, display, which matches the one we just redirect, right? So it will first call the function in views. Let's go to views.display, which is right here. This is very simple. We first use insert.object.o to grab all the insert data, and then we render that to our display HTML. Also, we render the old inserts data so we can use later. So this line of code will take us to display.html right here. And in my display.html, it's very simple. I use a for loop, as you can see right here, to loop through all the desserts and display their name, display the description, and also display the price. So that's why you are seeing all the desserts from my database. That's how all this works. I also have two background images and the CSS file in my, I call it stacked folder. Okay. So basically, this is how Django works. Also, in order to make this work, you must remember to, in settings.py, you must remember to include your app, this serve form. This is the name of my app here in order for it to run, right? Thank you for watching this video. I will create more awesome videos in the future for you to see. Thank you so much.